On the forecast right now with Kim Adams, and yeah, cold day out there, but as you were saying, this cold is nothing compared to what we're going to get, Kim.
Did I sense a little car guy over there? You had a little extra knowledge there. I like it. You know, I like where you're coming from. Welcome to the Motor City. You're in the right place, right? 36 now in Detroit, 36 in Mount Clemens, and yes, it is about to get much colder as an Arctic cold front brings us just that, some Arctic air. It's going to feel very, very cold, not just tomorrow, but especially on Wednesday. But right now, above freezing in Lapeer, Sandusky, Port Huron checking in at 36 degrees. But we do have a little bit of a breeze, so wind chills right now are in the mid to upper 20s, but about to go down into the single digits. So I started this at 6 a.m. tomorrow when we'll have a wind chill in Pontiac of 13. It will feel like it is 15 in Mount Clemens and also at City Airport. Then by tomorrow afternoon, 24 hours from now, about the same. I mean, wind chills will be in the low to mid 20s, maybe just a little chillier tomorrow afternoon, but not by much. It's really once that front clears us and that cold air sinks in, which it will do by Thursday morning at 6 a.m., it is going to feel like it is 3 in Pontiac, 2 above 0 in Howell, 7 above in Mount Clemens. So a very cold morning on Thursday, and then wind chills in the afternoon as people start tailgating and coming downtown. It is going to feel like it is only in the teens for those tailgaters out at Ford Field. And then by Friday morning, really not much better. I mean, maybe 3 or 4 degrees better, but it's definitely going to be cold all the way through the start of the weekend. Wind gusts right now, as I said, right around 10 to 15 miles per hour. But when I show that wind gust forecast to you tomorrow and especially on Thursday, you're really going to see some high gusts. I expect anywhere between 30 to possibly even a couple gusts close to 40 miles per hour. 21 in Duluth now, low 20s in Marquette, 33 in Alpena, where they have all that lake effect snow. They're loving it up there with several feet of snow in parts of the UP and northern lower Michigan. And then the lake effect machine over in Grand Rapids also bringing them some snow. First bell as you send the kids off to school tomorrow morning, 26 degrees, and by the afternoon, we'll be at 35. Now, the all-important when is it going to snow forecast? Well, starting right now at 5:15, we've got mostly cloudy skies. Might be a few flurries up to the north in the thumb, especially tomorrow morning. But it's really going to be in the afternoon and evening when that clipper starts to get close to us, and it looks like it is going to arrive sometime around midnight or so is when we'll see the heaviest snow bands, but it is going to come in as squalls, which means when you add some wind to even light snow, you can get some whiteout conditions. And as far as road conditions Thursday morning, it's going to depend a lot more on those road crews than it is the actual weather, because we're not talking about a huge snow event. But as we saw Friday night, I mean, an inch of dusting of snow with a little ice underneath on untreated roads can cause a real mess. But no problems tonight. If you want to head out, you're just fine. Tomorrow in the evening, we'll start to get that snow developing. It will become heavier and heavier as we head towards midnight, and then tailgating on Thursday. Snow should be gone, but it is going to definitely be cold, but there's a light at the end of the tunnel. By next week, we're back into the mid, even the upper 40s. So even though it's cold, nice thing about Michigan, as we say, you blink and the weather changes. So something for everyone.
The short time that I've been here, I've blinked a few times, and exactly that has happened, Kim.
Exactly right.
Spot on.
Magic.